Mapping out a floor plan may seem like a complicated process requiring specialized software specific to this need. However, creating floor plans is yet another task that you can accomplish quickly and easily with SmartDraw. To get started, click on the Floor Plans icon from the list of popular templates. There is a huge assortment of room outlines and examples to choose from, categorized by commercial options like office layouts and warehouse plans, and by residential options like kitchen and living room layouts. Just choose the one that fits your needs and build from there. We'll choose Custom Floor Plan to start from scratch. All of the tools you need to create the floor plan are here in the Smart panel. Select the Add Wall tool and click once in the work area to begin the wall and once more to complete it. Continue adding more walls to create a closed room. This circle will appear at the end of a wall to help you connect it accurately. An anchor will appear if you're connecting adjacently to another wall. Select the Add Wall tool to turn off the Wall tool. The dimensions of your objects are shown by default. You can hide these by clicking off that option here. Measurements are for the interior of a room or building by default. To change this, select the room and click on the Design tab up here in the ribbon. If you click on Dimensions, you'll find an option to switch to an exterior measurement of your walls. A very handy option. You can even adjust by fractions of an inch for greater precision. To adjust your dimensions, click on the dimension value and type in your desired measurement. Or you can just drag a wall to make a room bigger or smaller, and adjacent walls stay lined up perfectly. Many rooms are not simple rectangles but have corners and nooks. To add something like this, click on Add Corner and then click where you want it to go, and a corner pops into place. Add another corner here, pull the space to your desired size, and you now have an alcove. You can just as easily add a wall opening by selecting Add Wall Opening and clicking where you want it to go, and adjusting it to the size that you want. If you right-click on a wall, you'll find many options for altering it, like changing the shape of the wall. Add doors and windows by simply dragging them to where you need them to go, and they link neatly to the walls. From a vast array of libraries, you can easily add furnishings, appliances, and hundreds of other symbols. To search for any symbols that aren't already in your library, click on the blue Search Symbols text at the top of the Smart panel to open the Symbols tab with a search bar. Type any keyword and hit Enter, or click here to search. The search results will be grouped by the libraries they were found in. Just drag and drop them to where you want them to go in the room. Resize, rotate, or move it around as you need to, or type in the dimensions that you want. If you move the room around, everything within it stays in place. If you add a room to a house or building, it snaps into place and the walls overlap seamlessly. The Measure Distance and Measure Area tools let you make measurements simply by clicking and dragging. As you make these measurements, the outlines stay there for you to use as a reference in your layout. Just select them and hit Delete if you want to remove them. You can draw using any scale selected from the standard architectural, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and metric scales. You can also define your own scale if it is not among the standard scales offered. You can change the scale of any drawing at any time. You don't have to choose this before you start drawing. You can also add a scale-independent annotation layer. Add the scale, author, and other information about the diagram just like you would in the page view in a traditional CAD program. This annotation layer automatically adjusts its size and position as the drawing area or paper size changes. Between the dozens of great-looking examples and templates, hundreds of library symbols at your disposal, and the intuitive tools in the Smart panel, you'll be creating detailed, professional-looking floor plans in no time with SmartDraw's.